Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel SP Leo. Guys, today's collection is very special for all those people who love to wear very special, stylish and comfortable shoes and sandals. When choosing the most comfortable shoes, consider factors such as eye support, cushioning and breathability and materials. Personal preferences and foot characteristics also play a significant role. So, trying on shoes and ensuring the perfect fit is essential for maximizing comfort. So, guys, today's collection is very special. So keep in touch with this video till end so that you go through all these latest and very stylish sort of different footwear which are launched at this time for yourself. Guys, if you like these designs and styles, please thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe this video channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of every new uploads. Guys, let's start off this collection, and next 6 to 7 minutes or more than this, you will find a number of those pairs which definitely your first choice, and this can be your first choice and this will be your first choice. So guys, see different appealing slip-on shoes for ladies. This is the blend of comfort, convenience and style, seamlessly offering a perfect mix of functionality and elegance. So these all designs are available online for you people. So if you are interested to order any one pair out of this pretty collection, it's very easy. Just go to description box of this video where you will find the links are given over there, and just click on that link. You will be directed to that site through which you can order one of the pair or number of pairs of your choice after selecting right size in through that size chart which is given in the against that particular pair, and then you can make it the part of your wardrobe at this time. Enjoy your this style and new style. If you want to upgrade your wardrobe, and if you want to bring a change in your shoe styling and sandals, then definitely this video is very helpful for yourself. Guys, see different slip-on loafers crafted from supple leather, featuring different sort of those designs which definitely not only increase the sophistication in your that particular wardrobe, or these designs and styles are very elegant. And when we are talking about the casual or semi-formal occasion, then these are very helpful for yourself. Their slip-on nature ensure ease of wear, ideal for busy morning or quick transitions between tasks. For more casual appeal, slip-on sneakers provide sporty chic options that combine comfort with your style. Made from lightweight material like canvas or knit fabric, or you see different sort of other very foot friendly material. These shoes offer flexibility and breathability, making them perfect for all day wear, whether in classic solid color, or you see different sort of very stylish sort of different colors. These all are very elegant, and these can bring a different upgraded change in your wardrobe also. So guys, these all designs and styles, as you know, that available online, and these are in excess of yourself. You can make it the part of your wardrobe easily. So in the sense of office shoes for ladies, You see not only the sophistication and functionality designed to empower and inspire confidence in every step of the professional journey. So these shoes and sandals are fit for those ladies who really love to wear very stylish and comfortable sort of shoes for their self at workplace. Imagine a classic pump, their sleek lines and timeless confidence and elegance, crafted from supple leather or other those foot-friendly material. And these they offer a refined touch that complement tailored trousers or a sophisticated skirt suits. As far as the stylish look is considered, then definitely these shoes offer crafted from polished leather or different matte finishes offer a smart casual appeal that effortlessly transitions from desk to dinner. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, please thumbs up for it, and if you want to share your views, then you can use comment section for this purpose. And if you want to know more about these designs and styles, you feel free to just drop your question over there. I'll try my level best to answer your each and every comment or question. See, different sort of footwears are available in this particular collection. These all designs are very new, and I'm sure that after watching this, and if you are still here with me, you will definitely say, wow, what a beautiful pair you are watching on your screen. As far as the colors are concerned, color play their part too, from classic elegance of black and the purity of white to the vibrancy of jewel tone and evoke passion and spirit. So all these different designs and styles and colors and comfortability, these are different features will definitely attract you people. And at this time you will also try to make it the part of your wardrobe, these beautiful pretty shoes or sandals. So women's shoes and sandals, these are crafted for you see that different artistic touches there, like poetry of for the feet, and of course the elegance and grace is the part of this particular pretty collection. Each pair is you see that these are designs keeping in mind your style, comfortability, and the design and the functionality. So these all different features are introduced at this time for yourself. So guys, you can share your views in the comment section, and keep in touch and keep watching such type of beautiful collections. SB Leo channel is always there to help you out. Make your shopping easy for yourself. So take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.